Good morning. What's that?
It's Monday's a day off, but if you want to get paid, if you want to use an option to get paid, you got to take a day off.
Okay.
Hide the bundle somewhere.
I already did. I had it in Ginger's card. I don't know.
Ano guys? Grabe guys. Guys, good morning. Waiting tayo sa ano natin. Sa wait lang, may tao magkakaya. Tagal. Tapos kami ng 8 something, 8. Wait, time check natin. Mga 8:18 ako natapos. Dito ako sa labas muna. Waiting tayo sa ano natin, nagsusundo sa atin. Wala pa eh. Buti pa yung ibang dyan na. Okay guys, kanina daw nakapag ano, sobrang dami. Grabe, di ko kinaya. Grabing ice. Paano ko ba siya yan? Naglaro na ako sa ice. Hindi kayo magawa guys. Daw nakapag-update sa inyo. Try ko bukas no kung sobrang dami. Ang lakas pa ng ano. I mean, ang dami ng mga boxes na malalaki. So, waiting tayo dito. Kasi dito ako sa labas kasi mainit sa loob. So, malamig dito sa loob. So, nakapag-enjoy lang sa lamig. Ayan, ganyan natin. Grabe yung snow sa Canada. Wait tayo, wait. Grabe, ang tagal niyo guys. Ay nako, hirap talaga pag wala kang sasakyan. Ay, kailan ba ako magre-review guys? Uy, sobrang busy talaga guys. Alam mo naman ako, nanonood ako ng Netflix. So, hindi ko siya masingit sa ano ko, sa gusto kong gawin. Ay, tulungan niyo ako guys. Sabi niya. Wait tayo sa labas. Ang tagal. Grabe. Napuno na yung sasakyan sa ice. Yung yellow. Dami kasing tawag sa ano, sa ice at saka yellow. Sa Philippines, yellow. Pabili ng yellow. Ay nako. Inuubo pa rin ako guys. Grabe. Pag may alikabok, yung dust na grabe ka ayun. Napupunta sa ano ko, baga. Ayan ako. Sana magtagal pa ako dito. Ang tagal niya guys. Kainis itong asawa ko. Tagal niya. Puno lang yata mag-isa dito.
What? People were complaining that I was chirping Drayton for not doing his job. So she came over and he was, can you tomorrow chirp him for his dad? I was so funny with him.
Hello guys. Grabe, nice way. Sorry guys, today I did not live because of the storm, and also I got also my phone I don't have enough battery,
Guys,
so
don't forget to like and subscribe.
then I forget my chargeable,
Look at that, guys.
battery to recharge. And yeah, look at that, guys. It storms too much.
It's too much
Very, very dangerous to go outside. So, but I decided to go, and yeah. And also, we got only 2 track, only, trail for unload the boxes. So just little bit, and then the time is only 5:30 o'clock, and then we go home at 8, something like that. So yeah, and see you tomorrow, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And yeah, and I wanted to say about I wanted to explain and everything,
Yeah.
my life, so you will know who I am. And yeah, that's it. Just watch my video today and my vlog today. Thank you so much.